2023 Mustang GT 5.0. This is what it sounds like before we put the MBRP race system. Here you go. Go ahead. This is stock. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 103. Again. And there's the MBRP system that has no drone. That's why they added a J pipe on it. And it's an H pipe system. It's a race system. So we'll have a link in the description for it. There it is. That's what it looks like. We'll get it installed and let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, we got a 2023 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 Coyote. Only got 4,000 miles on it, all the way from good old Alabama. We appreciate them coming down. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it usually comes a resonator, which is right there. And there's the mufflers. We took that resonator off and ran a true dual system with an H pipe from MBRP. I'll get you guys the part number in a second. 3-inch all the way back. Really well built system, as you guys can see. It's got these J pipes, they call them, right there on each side. That's to cut down on drone. So that's why they add those on there. If you guys didn't know, now you know what happens is the sound comes in here and then it gets canceled out in there and then goes back out. There's the sexy tips on it too, the quads. The part number on the system is an S7207. There'll be a link in the description for it. All right, guys? That's how the system looks like right there. That's when it's on the car. Really nice, really clean system. Bolt on. And it was an easy system to put on. We didn't have any trouble putting it on, so they did a quality system. There's the two mufflers that were on it, right there. There's the resonator that was on it, it's a dual in, dual out. And there's the two pipes that were on it, right there in the middle, midsection. So it's all 2.5. We cut it all off and did a full 3-inch system on it. Hopefully you guys like the sound once we drop it and let you guys hear it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're in the area, come say hi. One more. Sounds really, really clean. It's just clean sound. Do you like it?
So that's what I like.
Yeah. It's perfect.
It's really clean.
Yeah, it's a clean sound. And believe it or not, it doesn't hurt my ears. Like it did with the Challenger. I like it. MBRP system. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Mustang GT 5.0 2023 MBRP system. I'm getting better at saying that, guys. Hey. Decibel? That sounds so good. I like that system, man. I wonder how the drone is.